This is the G-Shock DW-6900, one of the most popular models from Casio. From military personnel, outdoor enthusiasts to musicians, there are so many fans of this model. And this is the reissued DW-5900 that I reviewed a while ago, which I think needs a comparison video with the DW-6900. Because sometimes people only know the DW-6900, not knowing that this model exists, even though it might be more suitable for them. Good day everyone, welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Today we are comparing two iconic G-Shocks, the reissued DW-5900 and the DW-6900. Both have that classic triple graph style and are iconic in their own way. So let's get started. First up, button operability. The DW-6900 score points here with its center front button for the backlight, really handy for quick access compared to the DW-5900 slide button on the top right side. But anyway, some of you might dislike the DW-6900's recessed adjust button, which can be tricky to press, especially when using the stopwatch or timer. On the other hand, all the DW-5900 buttons are the same height and easy to operate. Next, dimensions. The classic DW-5900 is slimmer at 15.5mm thick and 46.8mm wide, which makes it more comfortable, especially for smaller wrists. On the other hand, the DW-6900 is chunkier with its thickness of 18.7mm and width of 50mm, but some fans would love that extra wrist presence. Next, features. Here, the reissued classic DW-5900 wins with 5 daily alarms, roll time, and the option for an afterglow effect length. On the other hand, the DW-6900 is simpler but sticks to the basics of one multifunction alarm, flash alert, and a timer with auto repeat and detailed setup down to the second. The reissued DW-5900 uses a CR2025 battery rated for 5 years, while the DW-6900 uses a CR2016, which is smaller and rated for just 2 years. Now, legibility. Both are good, but the DW-6900's larger digits make it easier to read, plus it displays the month on the screen. However, maybe it's just me, but I think the digits and display on the DW-5900 has more contrast. Finally, release year. Some of us like older legends better. The DW-5900 came out earlier in 1990 according to Casio's catalog, though some say 1992, giving it more of a classic feel, while the DW-6900 followed in 1995 and became a legend of its own. There are also another thing that you might want to consider. The classic DW-5900 uses a metal buckle, while the DW-6900 uses a plastic buckle. In summary, you might want the reissued DW-5900 for more features, longer battery life, a classic look, and a better fit for slimmer wrist. But if you prefer for front light button, larger digits, and more wrist presence, the DW-6900 could be the better option. And that's my quick comparison. Both are great models, so it really comes down to what fits your style and needs best. I personally prefer the DW-5900, but I wouldn't say no to the cool DW-6900. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click like and subscribe for more budget watch reviews. See you in the next video. Have a great day.